Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading for the middle of August and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in this middle of the month. Alright, so let's see for my Capricorns for mid-August. Let's see what are the messages for my Capricorns, please. For those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, now so let's get started with my Capricorns now. Alright, one last shuffle please. Alright. Alright, so your energies are coming up with the Nine of Pentacles. So this is a very independent kind of an energy where you feel independent, you feel alone, not alone as in a sad way, but more of a very, I'm fine to be single, I'm happy to be single. So that kind of an energy. But the issue which is coming up is the Devil. So I'm seeing that, that you are happy with what you have, but still there is a thought, a kind of thought that, I wish, I want, because you want some kind of think like basically love situation. If I'm saying that, you're happy to be single, you don't want to get mingled, but still there's a desire, there is like that kind of a feeling that I really want to go out as well with someone who would love me. This is that kind of an attraction basically. So that is what is happening with you. Your mind, on your mind is a Nine of Cups. So you are basically, you have everything, but there is a wish to get the Ten of Cups, because Nine of Cups is the wish fulfillment card where you have actually everything. There are the trophies which you have gained from your games, and whatever you did, you have worked a lot for all this, but still the last cup is the Family Cup. There is still that kind of a desire. Your recent past is the Temperance. So I see that you might have meditated, you might have worked on yourself a lot to attain this happy being single energy. Okay, but stay away from this Devil, because it looks like it looked like that it will give us fun. So no matter, yes, it is a yes that we will get fun. We really are happy with whatever, like if we are going to pubs, we are going to clubs, we are having drinks, so this is not bad. Okay, so these attractions, but at the end, what you have is the pain. You actually, whatever you are attracting towards you will actually give you pain at the end. So that is the problem with Devil. You have Six of Cups in the reason of the reading. So this is some kind of memories, reconciliations, bad, not bad, but good memories. I'm seeing past issues. You're single, but still you are thinking. Your future ahead is Ten of Pentacles. So I'm seeing that there is some kind of a stability coming your way. Might be a beautiful family you are getting, or might be in terms of money, financially you are getting stable, because you are working and you are leaving a bad situation, chaotic situation in your past, and you are moving forward, and you are very much stable with all the energies in you. You have worked a lot on yourself, Capricorns. I'm seeing that. What do you want? So this is Seven of Swords in your energy. So I'm seeing that you want to get rid of a situation and you just want to be sneaky, like not telling anyone, and just let's move out from this thing. Okay, so sometimes or the other, everyone wants this kind of a feeling. So that's not a bad energy in you, but it's that feeling where you just want to sneak out. Okay, so just like shh and move out. Okay, so the fool in the people around you or the environment around you is like, people are giving you new hopes, new people are really good, you know, they are actually giving you basically the friends and your family members, they are giving you positive, you know, everything is positive around you. People are not so negative. I'm not sensing that. So the universe is telling you things will come your way. This is the message from the universe. Things will come your way when the time will be perfect. So stop just sitting there, stop waiting for things, just, you know, just move on in your life. Whatever you want, it will come your way. Do not just wait for that thing. Alright, so let's see what is this Nine of Pentacles in your energy over here right now. Why is this Nine of Pentacles here, please? Five of Pentacles and Nine of Wands. Okay, so there might be something really bad past of yours, because you might have, you know, left out from someone, might have left you. So you were together with someone and now you are single. So this was really a bad past, might be for some of you. Like you were the one who, you didn't leave the person left you, something like that. With the Nine of Wands, I'm seeing that this is a situation where, you know, you are not guarding. I'm not getting that. I'm not feeling that you were not the one who pulled the guards, who just who was not letting this person enter in your life. This person or the situation was, whatever the situation was, you were the one who was still, who were standing still with something, because you had to, because that's your, that is what you are. Okay, so you are not the one who left a situation. The situation or the person in which you were, with which you were, they left you. All right, so let's see why the devil is here. The Fool with the Six of Cups. See, the memories are a problem. You are still attracted towards some past memories, you know, that addiction, that bond of not letting go. So you are still tied to the chains of the bad memories or the past memories of your life, because you actually see some growth, some happiness in those memories, in those things which are actually an issue coming up. So that is why, you know, you are fine with everything, but the main problem is you are not, there's one such thing in your life with which you are like, the memories are coming up again and again. Like you are, sometimes it's really hard to sleep as well. Sometimes you just think about some situations in your life, because they were sometimes good but sometimes bad as well. So there's an attraction in this. The chain is, you know, you're not letting go of this chain, because something is there, some kind of an attraction. Why is the Nine of Cups in your mind? Seven of Swords. Okay, Four of Wands, Tower, and Page of Wands. So with this, I'm seeing that there might be an issue going on with your family, or some kind of, for some people might be a divorce as well, you know, some kind of a marriage issue, problems in marriage, whatever this is. So this is for some people. For some of you, I'm seeing that there is, you really want to just move out. See, Seven of Swords, this, both energies are coming in your side. That is really, really high energies. Like you just want to move out from the situation. You are no longer ready to be in a situation, because the situation is really bad for you and you are not ready to deal with it. So that is why this is your wish. This is your wish to just, things just finish really fast, as soon as they can. Why is the Temperance in your past energies? Temperance clarified by Temperance. Alright, what else do we have? Ten of Cups. I see that things were really good, in your past. Everything was fine, but something happened all of a sudden. Everything was fine. With the two Temperance and Ten of Cups over here, I'm seeing that things were really fine. There were happy moments, happy celebrations, marriages, some kind of stuff, but all of a sudden things just, somebody just left someone over here and everything just changed. With the Six of Cups, let's see why the Six of Cups is here in your overall reason of the reading. Queen of Pentacles, this is you. Strength, might be dealing with the Leo. Okay, so I'm seeing that you are in that stage where you have like you love yourself, because of the Nine of Pentacles also coming up, and with this as well, it's like you love yourself. You know how to deal with yourself, how to deal with your mind and your heart, and you are working on your work as well. Basically your coins, you have everything is fine other than this, but still the past is actually making you feel there's some kind of nostalgia you might feel sometime. This past is not letting you to move on. I'm seeing it's like still the chains are just still not open. Past, not letting go of the past. Let's see what is this Ten of Pentacles in your future. Okay, see the Ten of Pentacles in the world. It's a process from which you are going through, and it's coming to an end. A lot is changing your way, a lot, and I'm seeing that it's you only with the overall outcome energy. Six of Swords, it's your will which is taking you to something really calm. Let's see why the Fool is here in the people around you. The Chariot, Ten of Wands. So people really want that you should just offload your pressures. You do not be in pressure, you do not be unhappy. They really want you to move on and experience new life again, something new. Start something new. That is what people around you. People are not bad around you, I'm seeing. The High Priestess, what is this? High Priestess with the Four of Swords. Okay, what else do we have? Hermit. Okay, so the universe is telling you that you need to heal, my dear Capricorns. A lot of healing is required in your energies right now. Whatever you are going through is actually you really need to heal. You really need some kind of soul searching, some kind of meditation, because there was happiness in your past. Problems started, and now you are really much into your past memories, past zone. Everything is going on, whatever is happening, your mind is in your past. You want to sneak out from that past energies, and you just want to take a leap ahead, and that doesn't happen. You have to stay in the process. You cannot just leave a situation just like that. So that is what universe is telling you. Till the time you are in the situation, try to heal yourself. Try to talk to those people who might give you positivity. If you really need some counseling as well, go and take a counselor, and who will give you some kind of guidance, some kind of good school, some kind of good sleep as well. You need that is what you need. Alright, so let's see why is the Six of Swords in the overall outcome. Six of Swords clarified by Six of Swords and Ace of Pentacles. So I'm seeing that things are really changing, Capricorn. So before that, you have to heal yourself. Things are going to change in your life. They are totally, completely a change, because you really want to end this chaos, and you yourself are ending, and you are going to start something new with a beautiful new beginning is coming up in your life ahead. Alright, so that's all, Capricorns. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.